Hello friends, welcome back to the one new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today then we are going to talk about the phone reboot setting guys, and in this video friends we will talk about the how can we reboot phone. And today guys I will show guys our secret setting. Then guys you can reboot guys your phone without press guys your phone power off button guys. So first of all guys you will have to on guys accessibility shortcut setting guys, the shortcut setting guys, and where is guys the shortcut setting guys, on guys your phone setting guys. And friends you can see special function guys, tap here. Then guys you can see accessibility guys, tap here. Friends accessibility menu guys, tap here. So friends you can see phone accessibility menu shortcut is off. So guys first of all you will have to on it. After on guys you can see this notification guys, tap on allow and got it. Friends come back. Friends you can see guys this man icon guys, we will tap here. Friends you can see phone power off setting guys, accessibility setting. Friends there are volume setting, brightness setting guys, you can use from here. So let's click on power off setting. And friends you can see right side is restart and left side is power off. So fancy you want to power off, so you can power off. You want to restart, so guys press on restart means reboot. Then guys our phone will reboot guys, we will have to press here guys for a time. Then guys come back, friends automatic guys your phone will on guys, you will have to wait for a while guys. So guys without press on guys or power off button guys, your phone will reboot automatic means guys your phone will on it. As you can see infinix powered by android guys, you can see. So guys it will take guys I think 30 seconds. So guys we I am going to pause video for 30 seconds guys, wait. So once our phone has rebooted guys, you can check guys. So I wait for a while guys, it will take time. After on guys, clean your phone and guys you can use it. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.